I'll include that in the video. Home time! It's Friday! Yay! So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It was highly requested that I show you guys that video because I know a lot of you guys had messaged me or left comments under my 5 a.m. morning routine video saying, you know, why does the commute take so long? So I just wanted to show you guys how long it actually takes and why it takes that long. It's because I take different modes of transport to get into the city. So obviously you guys know that I leave home at about 7:20 and I get into work at about 9 on the dot. So that's a decent 1.5 hour commute. And then I showed a little bit of a snippets around, you know, what I do at work. So I will do a dedicated video on this. So I just wanted to show you a little glimpse of what my day looks like at work. But I will be doing a video for you guys just explaining what I do at work. As you guys all know, I am a risk consultant, and for those of you who have done a little bit of a stalky stalk, they know that I work at the Big Four. So I've got a lot of messages by people asking me, you know, what's it like working at the Big Four? You know, what do you do as a risk consultant? And just fully explaining that entire, you know, the recruitment process as well, because I started started off as a grad. So a lot of you guys had left me questions asking me to do a video on that, so I will do that very soon for you guys. So I have the flexibility by my workplace to work one day from home, depending on like, you know, if I have to be in the office or not, if I have to be at the client site. So I have that flexibility of working from home 1 week. So that's why I show you guys only 4 outfits, because one of the days I did work from home. So I love that flexibility. It just saves me from having to commute each day 3 hours, so I can just save that time. So instead of like clocking off at 5:15 at work and then traveling for about an hour and a half, and then I get home at like 7:10, so that just saves me a lot of time, because then I can just get straight into editing and just clock off at like 5:15, straight into like the filming, and you know, just take a shower, just relax, you know, eat food, and it just gives me a lot of time to just unwind. So I love that about my workplace. So yeah, I hope you guys found this video informative and a little bit helpful, and you know, just understand that I do have a full-time job, and you know, I work a 9-to-5 job. Sometimes I work, you know, more hours, sometimes I work less hours. So, and just depending on the hours of work, I have to squeeze in my YouTube schedule as well. So it's definitely hard. It's definitely not something that is easy, because time management is very important in these kind of situations, because I obviously work full working week, and whatever time I have in between, I need to like, you know, film, edit the video, and then put it up each week. So I am still trying to commit to the weekly videos. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that little insight into my working week. And as mentioned, I will definitely be doing a video on what my experience is working at the Big Four, specifically in risk consulting, because that's what I do. And in terms of like my degree, you know, what work is actually involved in becoming a risk consultant, the graduate process. So yeah, if you do have any questions, then please leave them down below. I'll be happy to answer them for you. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel down below. So I shall see you guys in my next video. Next week I have a really fun video coming up for you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see that. And yeah, I shall see you guys in my next video. Thanks guys.